Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter, chapter 4 Keyboard Special Keys. So, student, tell me what is a keyboard? We use the keyboard to type in data and instructions to the computer in the form of numbers, letters, and symbols. And we also know it has small buttons which is called keys. Normally there are 104 keys in a keyboard. Okay, students. So children will be able to identify and use the special and punctuation keys. Recall that certain keys used in combinations and describe the functions of different keys, types of keys on a keyboard. Okay, student. Now we have learned about the keyboard in previous class. Given below is a keyboard as you see in this picture. Color the keys according to the mentioned color codes. So student, red for number keys. There are your number keys. Use red color for number keys. Similarly, green color for space key. Use pink color for arrow keys. Use blue color for alphabet keys. Use brown color for enter key. Similarly, use yellow color for backspace key. Okay, students? Now, types of keys. So, we have already learned about alphabet and number keys in your previous session. Now, what is an alphabet key? So, alphabet key help us to type letter and number on the computer, which help us to type numbers on the screen. Let us discuss about keys. So, this is your alphabet key from E to Z are alphabet keys. Similarly, there are 4 types of arrow keys and these are symbol keys. These are number keys from 1 to 9 including 0 and these are your functions key like F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. These are your functions keys. So students, there are some special keys also there like enter key, like shift key, like caps lock, like delete key, like control key, like space bar, like backspace key. So these are the special keys. Now talking about caps lock key. So where it is present on the keyboard? So it locates on the left side of the keyboard. We see the backspace or caps lock key on the left side of the keyboard. When caps lock key is turned on, a light glows on the keyboard. So what it use? It is used to type letters in uppercase, that is in capital letters. If you click on, then you have write two letters on uppercase or that is in capital letters. Now, if the key is on, all the alphabets will be typed in capital letter. To turn off this function, please press caps lock key again. Now, talking about shift key. So, where it locates? It locates on the computer. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. It uses the shift key is a special key that perform many function. It does many function. One of them is on the left side just below the caps lock key. The other is on the right side just below the enter key. Okay students, so there are two shift keys present on the keyboard. Now, facts. If you press the shift key while typing letters, they will appear as capital letters on the screen. And if you press it with the caps lock key on while tapping capital letters, it will be type small letters. Okay, so the shift key is mainly used along with other keys like the number keys from 0 to 9 on the keyboard have some special characters marked above the numbers. These characters are this, like exclamatory, at the rate, dollar, percentage, and plus, minus, hash. These are the number keys from 0 to 9, and these are the special characters. Okay, and the number keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. These are the number keys. So students, some other keys are also have some other characters above them, like hash, question mark, greater than, smaller than, brackets. These are the some other characters. You can also type these special characters by pressing the desired key while holding down the shift key. So you have to use these characters with shift key. Okay, now talking about arrow keys. So there are four types of arrow keys. Locations on the keyboard are, these keys are placed on the left side of the numeric keypad. So arrow keys are present on the left side of the keyboard. These keys are known as up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. The left arrow is also known as back arrow, and the right arrow is known as forward arrow. Okay students, we can move the cursor up, down, left, right using these keys. So it use is especially in games, as they allow the player to move in any direction. So we can also select text by pressing the arrow keys while holding down the shift key. So you also use these arrow keys with shift key. Okay students, I hope you all understand about this chapter. We will continue in next part of video. Okay students, thank you. Bye children.